Welcome to day 52. Embrace imperfect beginnings. Just start today. Every expert that you see online once looked awkward on camera too. The difference is they just started anyway. We all want things to look perfect, but perfection kills progress. The first time that you post, the first time you launch, or the first time that you teach, it might feel really messy. And that's okay, friends. That's how you grow with your confidence. You can't skip the beginner stage. You can only write this on a sticky note. Done is better than perfect. Then do one small thing today. Film a 30-second clip, date your bio, post your first story. Beginnings are beautiful. They mean that you're brave enough to start. So comment started below. If you give yourself permission to take imperfect action today, friends, you're always going to have a journey ahead of you. It's going to be ups, it's going to be downs, but it's got to start somewhere. And as long as you start somewhere, your new journey is going to be out there reaching other people. You've got to realize that there's people on the other side of your phone that's waiting on you. They're waiting on you to talk to them and give them the message that they need, the message of hope, the message of there's something different, the message that they can do it too. And you can too. If I can do it, and whenever I started, I think it was 59 whenever I started my digital marketing journey. And some people think that, oh my gosh, you're just too old, or it's too late, or you can't do this. But I wasn't the oldest one that ever started. And you're not going to be the youngest one or the oldest one either. You're just going to be the perfect person that someone needs. So I encourage you, go out, walk out with faith, exactly what I did, and get started on your journey. Because your journey to success is just one click away. So I know that it's going to be hard. I know that you're going to think, what content can I create? Come join my free community. I have so much content that I can give you that you can create. And you're never going to be without the ability to create something meaningful for your perfect audience. I hope that you have a blessed day. I want you to go out there and push that start button. And I want you to know that you have everything inside of you that God gave you to succeed in life. You just got to believe in you. Have a blessed day, friends.